are pleased to show you the 2022 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior look, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.